In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user profiles in Supabase, step by step 2026. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and head to supabase.com. This is the home base for managing your projects, databases, and authentication. We're focusing on setting up users so you can establish clean, reliable profiles tied to your app's authentication flow. Next, log into your Supabase account. Sign in using your preferred provider or email, and you'll land in your workspace. Keep this part quick. Once you're in, we can get to the good stuff. You should now be on the home page, which acts as your dashboard. Here, select the organization that contains your project. Organizations help you group projects and control access, which is especially useful when collaborating with a team or separating client work from personal experiments. From there, choose an existing project you've already created. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new project and then return to these steps. Either way works. The important part is that you're inside the project where you want to manage users and profiles. Inside the project view, look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation and it's where you'll find everything you need. Database, authentication, storage, and more. We'll be working with authentication since user profiles start with verified managed users. Click Authentication. In the Authentication area, select Users under the Manage section. This Users view shows everyone who has signed up through your app or anyone you add manually, which is great for onboarding teammates, seeding test accounts, or validating your Auth flow before you ship. Now, click Add Users and choose Create a New User. Enter the user's email address and a strong password. You'll notice the auto-confirm option. When you create a user from this form, Supabase won't send a confirmation email. That means the account is effectively confirmed immediately, which is perfect for testing or for controlled internal onboarding. For production apps, you'll typically rely on your sign-up flow and email verification, but for now this helps us move quickly. When everything looks good, click Create User. Supabase will add the account to your project, and you'll see the new user appear in the list. That's your foundation for user profiles. Each authenticated user can be associated with profile data in your database, linked by their unique user ID. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Use this manual creation flow for testing and administrative needs, protect real user data carefully, and keep your environment keys and credentials secure. With users in place, you're ready to connect profile records in your database and power personalized experiences across your app.